Hey guys, I hope you're doing really well. Today I want to talk to you guys about why you might not be going to the gym very consistently and what you can do to fix that. Now, there is one really important factor of consistently going to the gym, and it's what's going to make you want to go on a week-to-week basis. So for me, it is mental health. When I go to the gym, and I'm sure you hear everyone talk about this, it is an outlet for me to escape from the real world. It releases my endorphins and it makes me a much happier person. It makes me think clearer. It makes me feel like I have everything together. I feel more social because I'm kind of in an environment where there's a lot of people doing the same thing as me. I feel like I'm a part of a community and it gives me more clarity. And while you can understand this on paper, it is very hard to understand unless you've been doing this and you get hooked to going to the gym. So if you're not consistently going to the gym, it could be because you kind of understand why it is that you need to go to the gym, but you haven't gotten hooked on it because you haven't truly understood or have opened your eyes to that side of the gym. When you start going to the gym consistently and you start to miss it, that's the sweet spot. That's something that no one can take away from you. While I'm stuck in quarantine, I found myself wanting to work out, not because I wanted to lose weight, but because it gave me an escape from the real world. It made me feel so much different to how I did before the workout. If I didn't have that feeling, I'm not sure I'd be still going to the gym to this day. Now, it can be the same as making an artwork or making a film or whatever it is that you're passionate about is the same as exercising. I, for a year, was not really convinced and I kind of hated going to the gym. But I pushed myself, number one, and I would not get where I am today if it wasn't for people on YouTube vlogging their time going to the gym, documenting how they feel before and afterwards. And although I didn't believe it, I sort of just did it anyways because I'm like, if every single fit person says exactly the same thing, I want to try it. Plus I want to lose weight. So what do I have to lose other than my weight? And a big advocate for this is Whitney Simmons. She talks about this a lot, and she was the one who really opened up my eyes about the gym in this respect. And I remember that point of going to the gym after a year, after learning how to actually lift and have a good form. I started realizing, hold on, this entire year when I was at the gym, I didn't think about my life. I didn't think about my problems. I literally was concentrating on my form. My life, who is she? Like, thrown away. All my problems thrown away. I have one job and I have one job only. Looking at my form, lifting weights properly so I don't get a bad back, getting the most results that I possibly can, and concentrating on a movement, something so simple, just up and down, up and down. If you think about it theoretically, it's really quite simple. For me, especially at the very start, like, my mind didn't wander because I was so set on doing everything correctly, like my form and how I lifted stuff, that I realized only later that I wasn't thinking about anything else. And just after a while, without even realizing it, I became a much happier person. I really do give a lot of that to the gym and working out. Even to this day, if I go work out, if I go for a run, if I do an at-home workout, I feel like I take myself out of my own perspective and I'm actually just doing something, and I know that that something is gonna give me results and I can feel it in my body. To wrap up, why are you not going to the gym? It's because you haven't realized that the gym and movement and sport takes you away from all of your problems. And when you start realizing just how good you feel after the gym, you're gonna want to escape from your own problems, your own inner conflict. Okay, maybe you realize it now in theory, but when you go to the gym, you might not realize. If not then it might come after a year, after going consistently. Try it out. That gym addiction is real, and I never thought I would be the kind of person to have it, but honestly, like, I look forward to going to the gym at this point because I get away from all of my problems and I just focus on one thing and I feel so much better. So I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I answer absolutely every single comment, or DM me on my Instagram and follow me over there. Please make sure to like this video and hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. I would really appreciate having you guys over here on my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Smile for me.